Another 400 horsepower stock RB20.
So usually we do a little bit of an intro, but Edgar already did all this stuff. So I'll show you some back pics on this RB20. It was stock turbo before, and now we've upgraded it to this single turbo kit. Will supplied the parts, intake manifold, new exhaust manifold, and a Borg S252. And that's already on, and John already fabbed up the intercooler piping for us on the, did he do both sides? Hot and cold? Okay. And now Edgar is, I'm going to hand it over to Edgar.
Right now I'm working on the battery relocation to the trunk, and then I have to swap out the injectors for ID1050s. I have a couple things to finish plumbing up, the intake on the turbo, the idle air control valve hose, and just button up a few things so that way we can get on the dyno and do another 400 horsepower stock RB20.
Yeah, this car was this car's been at the shop a few times. It's on its second owner since we've known it. I will try to locate what it did previously. Do you remember?
Like 240?
240, yeah, it was really, it was just bone stock RB20, so
like
not
Elite 2000, stock injector, stock everything.
Elite 2000, what is that, Haltech?
Yeah.
Haltech, okay. So now we're hoping to get about 400 out of it. We'll see. Should be okay. Little bit of a different setup than the previous couple we've done. I mean, they're all always different setups, but yeah, I'm interested to see. It'd be nice to get at least close to that number.
Yeah.
I think it's doable, right?
Yeah, it's doable.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you the trunk now, because we had to move the battery, because the battery was over here where this pipe and... Oh, you got that hole in there? It's a little tight. You may have to...
Yeah, well, I gotta pull that pipe out anyways to put a fitting on here for the IAC hose. So that'll get trim around the holes. So the pipe doesn't run right through it.
All tucked in there. Is it set up?
I just have to run the power line from the front to the back, but the battery's in there and everything is there. The circuit breaker is there, and everything is ready to roll.
Alright, cool. So a couple more things, and then it's going on disc job, rollers. Just pump gas, right?
Yep.
Just pump gas. Alright, cool. Yeah, this car is really cool. I really like the color. I like the way it looks. And now that it's going to be zippy, I'm even more stoked. It's really nice color. Yeah, oh, you're gonna start it up?
Yeah, I have to.
Will's Skyline here, RB20, single turbo kit, getting done. Edgar right now is putting the injectors in. What do we bump up to size?
ID1050s.
ID1050s, okay. What were in them? The stock? Ooh,
yeah.
This is gonna be good then.
I mean, yeah, this car was completely stock.
Yeah, this is gonna be a huge power improvement for Will once he gets behind the wheel. He's gonna not know that this is the same car. It's gonna go from like 260, 270 maybe.
240.
But yeah, we're hoping to get 400 ponies out of this Jones, so. What do you think, Shell? You think we can get 400? Let's see, what do you think? 400 for a lick. There we go. So what's important when changing the injectors?
Lubing up the O-ring.
Is that what this Vaseline jar is here for?
A lot of people try to put them in dry, and then they end up tearing the O-ring and then pissing fuel all over the ground.
So you lube them all up first then and put them into position before you pop them all in, right?
Yes.
Put them all in like simultaneously? Is it on? Yeah, because it's on a rail, right?
Yeah, so once they all get into position, then you can bolt the rail down.
Gotcha. This is stock rail?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get them that radium engineering.
It's not really needed because these are already top feed.
Oh, okay.
So like on the RB20 series 1s and 2s where they're side feed, you have to, because you gotta convert them to top feed.
Okay. That makes sense. Is it only the RB20 that has the top?
The Neos and the 26s
the Neo.
are all top feed.
Oh, so it's only the 25.
Yeah. The 25 series 1s and 2s, yeah.
Okay. Still learning myself here. There are many variations of the RB series and all different kinds of setups. It's pretty cool though to see them from stock, and then when you start changing them, totally worth it for the RB20s, man, because if not, they're kind of like dogs. Just really. Why is it?
You know, the stock turbos just pump out a bunch of heat.
Okay.
And then they're really small.
Making it top mount, does that help? Like, what does that help? Or is it just because the layout, you can get a bigger turbo?
Well, between that and the length of the runners, that kind of helps open up the window for turbo choice.
I'm excited to see what we can get out of this. And this is the same turbo too as that other one. Yeah, so it's pretty similar. I'm hoping we can get them at 400. And it's, well, this one's tuned to Haltech Elite, right? 2000?
Yep.
Okay. All right, well, those injectors are just going in. What's next then?
I gotta swap out all the pigtails on them.
Where's that? Where's the pigtails that you're swapping?
Well, I haven't. They're sitting over there, but all
Oh.
the connectors.
You're changing them all?
Yeah, I have to because they don't match the stock ones.
Oh, okay. These guys? These Jones?
Yep.
What do we got here? Oh, so you gotta do some electrical.
Yes.
Is that always the case?
Yep.
Really? Every set of injectors?
Well, no, not every car, every set.
Okay.
But, in this case, yes.
How's everything looking?
It's looking alright.
How close are we to dyno?
Huh?
How close are we to dyno?
Pretty close.
Cool. Alright, this is cold start. This girl gonna get tuned today. I'm excited. We're hoping for 400. Wow.
So, ton of power.
Ton of power, yeah. Stock RB20 right there.
Just enough to beat a Camry.
Just enough to beat a Camry.
Any extra stuff like to do when in Kevin?
Straightforward, have the pipe that comes across here and goes, you know.
Is it easy to change the oil now? Nope.
No, still a nightmare.
We have batteries in the back now.
Oh yeah, the battery. That's
Battery, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I saw the picture you sent me.
Literally, we put it together. The battery was right here. The bottom was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, there was like no way around that, unfortunately. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of figured, when I dropped it off, I kind of figured that you guys would have to move it to the back. I like it though, it looks nice, it looks really clean.
The battery, it's just got this strap right here. Cover comes right off, and you can get to it. You have a circuit breaker right here. So if you park the car for a long period of time, hit that button.
The red one?
Yep.
And that
Disconnects
power?
the battery from the car, so you don't drain the battery if you park the car for storage.
That's cool.
And whenever you're ready to fire it back up, take the
winter.
lever. connect
The
it
winter,
back up.
yeah, because in the winter I usually have it covered up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then you can hit the circuit breaker, it disconnects the battery from the car, so the battery can't drain it. The car can't drain the battery, and then you get to go.
So where did you guys put the blow-off valve? I remember it was like...
Blow-off valve is behind the bumper. Right behind the...
It's on the...
You can see it, yeah. And your downpipe's in the back here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The old downpipe, yeah. It's like just chilling. Yes. Pulls gain 80 horsepower. And he's just starting, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. So we're getting close. Just good news. Seems to be liking it. Woo! That's 390! 390! Oh!
Yeah, I'm not sure what fuel pump you got in here.
It starts with a W.
Walbro?
Yeah, 255. That's what. At least that's what he told me.
Well, that's when they start to tap out around
Yeah.
400.
That's about right.
Because I noticed that I'm having at higher boost level, I'm having to add a lot more fuel to maintain my target air-fuel ratio. So
Okay.
at higher level RPM.
Hey, this is more than I was expecting.
Nah, dude.
You asked for like 350.
I'll probably have to dial it back to
Yeah.
somewhere around 375-ish.
Just to be safe.
because you don't want to run the fuel pump on a ragged edge.
Yeah. Yeah, when I first reached out to you, I told you, you asked me what my goal was, and I said around 350-ish, 320 to 350, and that's when you said that 400 was safe. So I was like, okay.
Yeah, you can get close to 400.
Yeah. So I'm completely happy with this.
Good, good.
At least till I get bored of this power then.
Yeah, right? Then you'll be like, all right, what's next?
Yeah.
But not too much, I would say, right? What can he safely do with this stock engine? He could do the fuel pump, and you could do E.
Fuel pump and ethanol.
How did it feel?
That's amazing.
Yeah? Oh, I'm glad. Big difference, right?
Yeah, big difference.
It's
You couldn't do that shit on the stock turbo.
That's awesome, dude. Oh, I love to see that. Love to see that smile. Hell yeah.